Hey, welcome everyone to the Diary of Teacher Olumide. Okay, so we have a question that we are going to be solving. It's a differential calculus question, one of the aspects that deals with the application. So the question says we should find the turning point of this function y equals 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x plus 3. All right, so it's very simple. So if we are going to solve this, one of the first things we need to know is that to find the turning point of any function, what it indicates is that the y over the x must be equals to 0. The y over the x must be equals to 0. That means you need to differentiate y with respect to x. And we've been given that y equals 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x plus 3. So that means the y, the x, is going to be equals to, let's not forget the principle of differentiation. If y is equals to x raised to power n, we have that the y, the x, is equals to nx raised to power n minus 1. All right, so that means 3 is going to multiply 2, that is 6x, and the power is going to reduce by 1, that's 2, minus 2 is going to multiply 6, that is 12x, the 2 is going to reduce by 1, and negative 18x. When we differentiate that, we are going to get this. Now, following this principle that says that our turning point, the y over the x, must be equals to 0, what this indicates is that our 6x squared minus 12x minus 18 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, but instead of solving it directly, there is an element of 6 that is common to everything. So we could divide through by 6 so that we have a simpler quadratic equation to deal with. So divided by 6 over 6 over 6 and over 6. All right, so by the time we do that, we're going to be getting x squared minus 2x minus 2. Sorry, minus 3. That's minus 3 equals to 0. All right, so from here, we can factorize this. Now, the factors we are going to be using, because we multiply these two aspects together, we are going to get minus 3x squared. And the factors we'll be using that will give us minus 3x squared is going to be minus 3x and positive x. So that means we are going to have x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. All right, so from here, we know that x is common to this first algebra, so we bring out x minus x is also common in 3x, that's 3, plus 1 is common to x and minus 3, we bring it out, so we have minus 3, so equals 0. So from here now we can say x minus 3 and x plus 1 equals to 0. So we can say x minus 3 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals to 0. So from here, our x is equals to 3 or minus 1. Now that we have gotten our x as 3 or 1, to now know the turning point, we are going to go back to the original equation, which is y equals to, the original equation is 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x plus 3. All right, so that's the original question. Now that we have gotten the value of x as 3 or 1, so we can now say when x equals to 3, so we can have y to be equals to 2 bracket 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 6 bracket 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 18 bracket 3 plus 3. And this will give us 3 raised to the power of 3. That's going to give us 27 times 2. That's going to give us 54 minus 3 squared is going to give us what? That's 9. 9 times 6, that is also 54. All right, minus 18 times 3 as well is going to give us 54 plus 3. So from here we have 54 minus 54, that's 0. Minus 54 plus 3, that's going to give us minus 51. Okay, so we've just gotten y when our x was equal to 3. So again, you can say when x equals to negative 1, that's going to be y equals to 2 brackets negative 1 raised to the power of 3 minus 6 brackets negative 1 all squared minus 18 brackets negative 1 plus 3. Now this is going to give us negative 1 raised to the power of 3 is going to be negative 1 times 2, that's negative 2. Negative 1 squared is going to be positive 1 times negative 6, that will give us negative 6. Negative 18 times negative 1 is going to give us positive 18 plus 3. And from here, negative to negative 6, that's going to give us negative 8 plus 18, that's positive 10. This is going to give us 13. Now that we have gotten this function, so that means at those turning points, when x, the turning point for x minus 1 and 3, we were able to get 13 and negative 51. So this will be the answer. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe. God bless you.